So don't feel bad when sometimes you have to cut twice, because even a professional has to sometimes too. Just like I had to do then. Let's give it another try. Oh mate. I'd have that in my place. So there you go. Let's fit it. Oh mate, look at that. Put my clips in. Clip it up, Charlie. That's it. I'll see you on the roundabout. I'll be coming up there next, going across, doing this, and then I'll go onto this wall. I need to, I don't have to be super perfect, but pretty, you know, within a couple of mil up there, and then I'm able to run silicon up. But see what I mean? Allow for a little bit of glue like that. See, that's your finish, and that's brilliant because you've got something to run up there with silicon and it looks so nice. Not like this. And then a lot of times you've got to cut it, freehand cut it, and that's what it can look like, and it's hard to, it's got to be grouted, it can't be siliconed. Oh, well, it can, but you know, nah. Have your architrave DIYs a bigger profile and you're laughing. Makes then a professional job.